I'm today in front of me Realme C25s and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and then here on the search pool enter the Ampere. And now you have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open here the application and then click yes, I agree, close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got the section with the temperature of our device battery. That's in my case that's 31 degrees. And also got here the another information like the battery's level, health, capacity, model, and more other information like the Android version and more info. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.